This is Africa and I'm so blessed. I drink water straight from Zambezi. Oh yeah, these women are so fine, a beauty like Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, African woman rocks. African woman rocks. African woman rocks. African woman rocks.
Alright, about now, make I tell you about my type of girl. Alright, African girl, special type of girl. Listen, she's my chikanda, lumanda. The girl I wanna turn into an abanda. Bambini bama yesa kama bakana. Kateya la liga siyabana. Ooh, she's so fine, fine like the river Nile. Rich skin tone like a chocolate. Mama Africa, you're immaculate. From Ghana to Lagos, Lusaka to Nairobi, Tanzania to the Pearl of Africa. This is Africa and
I'm so blessed. I drink water straight from Zambezi. Oh yeah, these women are so fine, a beauty like Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, African woman rocks.
So let me go ahead and show you guys here. This wig can be parted anywhere you want. You can wear it in the middle as you guys see here, or you can do a parting on each side if you want to. On the side you have less parting than in the center of your head, but yes, it can be parted in the middle or on each side. Hey you guys.
special type of girl. Listen, she's my chikanda, lumanda. The girl I wanna turn into an abanda. Bambini bama yesa kama bakana. Kateya la liga siyabana. She's so
But yes, so this is my hair right here. Nice on, no glue, nothing like that. Look at that.
fine like the river Nile. Rich skin tone
Look
like a
at that.
chocolate.
Look at that. The ear tab, you definitely have to play around it. You can stick the ear tab out if you have a larger forehead than me, or you can tuck it behind. Sometimes what I do is I'll just like put the hair behind my ear.
From Ghana to Lagos, Lusaka to Nairobi, Tanzania to the Pearl of Africa.
Here's what the texture of the hair looks like. It is very, very soft, super duper soft. Okay, so this is I will consider this like light to medium density. If you're the person who likes super super heavy, this is not for you. Okay, I have this length is 16 inch.
Oh yeah, these women are so fine, a beauty like Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, African woman rocks.
However, you can tuck it behind your ears if you choose to. You guys know I don't glue anything down. I love these earrings, by the way. It's silken, honey.
African woman rocks. African woman rocks. An African woman rocks.
Of course, I bought it, you guys. Go support. I purchased from everybody I know, okay? I believe in that 100%. But yeah.
An African woman rocks. African woman rocks. An African woman rocks. African woman rocks. African woman.